Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about why you need a circulation pump or why your tank needs to recirculate for the Hydrographics. So let's dive into that. So first off, why do you need a recirculation pump or system on a tank itself? So after you have dipped any of your film, you always want to have a clean slate the next time that you go to dip. And so after you do the dip, then you still have a whole bunch of film just laying on top of the water. So that's where the circulation pump comes in to help clear that water completely off the top to make it to where you have a clean area the next time that you lay your film down. So looking at a tank design itself, you have two different areas. You have your dipping area, which is your main area that you see, and then you also have a scavenge area or a reservoir area, as we like to call it. And so in the reservoir area, you normally will have some sort of filter system or something like that. And so that will help after the dip it's done, you will go ahead and turn your pump on, so that way the pump can push the excess film that's not used anymore off into the filter tray area. It filters everything out, and then it pumps the water back from the reservoir area that is now clean back into the dipping side to pretty much clean off the water and make sure that everything is filtered properly. Another thing that is very nice whenever you do have a tank system like this right here is having a spray bar itself. And so a lot of the times you have two different designs. One design is just it pumps the water into here, but there's no spray involved. And so pretty much it takes this water, it fills it up, and then as it flows over the reservoir dam itself, and then it goes over like that. But it does not actually push the water one way or another. It just allows gravity to slowly pull it back that way. And so one feature that we really like on our design is that we actually have a built-in spray bar on the tanks that we sell. And so that makes it to where whenever you have your film, whether you're dipping right here, whether you're dipping over here or wherever, the minute that you turn that pump on, it actually will create a spray to help push the water from wherever you're dipping all the way into the filter area itself. So that really helps in making sure that you can get a lot quicker dips, and it helps push everything off into the filter tray area, which is also going to help in making sure that you have a lot better filtration throughout the entire time that you're using the machine. So let's take a look and see this in action, so that way you can kind of clearly see what's happening whenever the pump is on and the spray bar is running. So as you can clearly see, we have water coming out here, and with the bubbles itself, you can see that it is forcing all of the water over into here. Now, of course, we have not really filled this up very much, so we have a little bit of the water going down, and you'll notice that the bubbles are going away because the water level is actually rising. And so now we have little to no bubbles coming through here, and you can clearly see everything is pushing off so much quicker to help make it to where whenever you turn the pump on the next time and your film is sitting right here, it will quickly move off into your filter tray area, and then now you have a clean surface. So once we turn this back off, we allow this to continue flowing over, and then now we have a very clean surface for our next dip. And then of course, after the dip itself, you can turn your pump on again, and then everything will continue to push on just like it is with a spray bar type of system like this right here. So hopefully this video has really helped you guys out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd always love to hear from you, and let me know your thoughts on the spray bar or even the recirculation system. If you found something that works better, or even if you're doing a DIY, we'd always love to hear from you on anything that you have. Also, if you are interested in any of the stuff that you see here with our equipment or anything like that, definitely check out the website, liquidconcepts.com. We're also going to have links in the description below, so that way you can check out the website and see everything that we have to offer for the hydrographics industry. If you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks on anything in the water transfer printing industry. And As always, I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.